In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a dot plot in Microsoft Word. Dot plots are a simple and effective way to display data, show frequency distributions, or create visual representations for statistics and classroom activities. Microsoft Word provides several ways to create dot plots, whether you want a quick manual version or a more structured chart using the built-in tools. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document or open an existing file where you want the dot plot to appear. Once your document is open, you have a few options depending on how you want to create your plot. For a quick manual dot plot, you can simply type the values or categories in a column. For example, list the categories or data points vertically, one per line. Then place the cursor next to the first item and use the period key on your keyboard to enter dots representing the frequency or value. Press the period multiple times to match the quantity for that category. Repeat this process for each data point or category. This method is straightforward and works well for small datasets or simple visual examples. If you prefer a more professional and structured dot plot, you can use Word's Table feature. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click Table. Choose the number of rows and columns you need based on your data. Once the table is inserted, type your categories in the first column and the corresponding values in the second column. You can then use symbols, dots, or custom bullet points to represent each value visually. Another option is to use Microsoft Word's built-in Chart feature. Go to the Insert tab and click on Chart. In the dialog box, select the Scatter chart, which allows you to plot points along an axis. Enter your data into the spreadsheet that appears, and Word will automatically generate a dot plot with accurate placement of each value. You can further customize the chart by adjusting the axis labels, dot size, and colors to make it clearer and more visually appealing. And that's it. You now know how to create a dot plot in Microsoft Word using manual dots, tables, or charts. This makes it easier to visually present data in a clear and organized way for reports, assignments, or presentations. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.